As Parminder mentioned, like we have already done with our basic part, and now today onwards we are going on the advanced production planning training. So I'll quickly just let you know what are the different topics that we are going to cover in the advanced training, and that's already mentioned here on the link that you can anytime go. So the same fashion, what we discussed earlier in the basic course, here also we will start again with some basic information about the SAP S/4HANA, like what is the S/4HANA and what is the database, about the basic things about the database. Although it's a production planning training and we are not going in more detail about the technical things, but we will get to know what is the database changes happen in the S/4HANA, and hence how the capability of the system has been get increased like anything. So to know as a PP consultant what capabilities has been increased with SAP S/4HANA and what are the new things are coming up, at least we should know what is the basic things happen at the database level. So we will discuss in today's session. Probably I'll try to cover this topic quickly, and then we will go to the Fiori part, where we will discuss about the Fiori application activation, how you can debug or how you can assign the new or any new requirement coming from the business, how as a functional consultant need to explore the Fiori application and activate it, and give back to the user with that this thing. Then we will discuss about the production planning master data with simplification. In our basic session we discussed production planning master data, right? We discuss only material master. Here we will discuss in detail about what are the new things here in the material master with respect to production planning module, right? Also we will go for the each and every master data like BOM, material master, routing and everything, and then we will try to run end-to-end cycle of the production planning module, what we have already discussed in the basic session. Here we will try to run it with the Fiori. Okay, we will not go into the GUI screen to run the application. We will try to analyze all the Fiori applications for that, and accordingly we will uh, uh, get access for that application, and we will run our end-to-end cycle for the PP module with Fiori application. Then we will move and we will see about the MRP live new functionalities has been, what is the new functionalities there in SAP S/4HANA in the MRP, and what is the simplifications in MRP area. After MRP live discussion, we will go and we will see this one also. And then as Parminder said, like we will touch base very hot topic that is newly coming in SAP S/4HANA as a DDMRP or PMRP. And parallelly, we will try to cover some of the basic topics like byproduct, co-product, then variant configuration with make to order, variant configuration with make to stock, as well as I'll try to cover variant configuration from the sales end also, so that you will get the whole end-to-end linkage, how we can configure the VC. And parallelly, we do have some topics like PPDS, although we will not be able to run the PPDS cycle end to end in the system. So here in the system during the training, but we will try to, give an overview about the PPDS as well as HANA migration cockpit. So these things I'm planning to cover in our advanced training for the production planning. And so before moving ahead with our today's topic, I will I will take a pause here. If you have any kind of questions, okay, so you can unmute and you can ask the question.
Pankaj, I would just like to add a couple of things here, that the two more things we'll be covering, which is not mentioned here, is that running end-to-end PP cycle with advanced Fiori application and Fiori analytics application, which is available for PP.
Yes, it is not there in the curriculum, but I try to cover it. I mean, I just try to, explain the theory. Okay, anyway, that anyway we will cover.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Pankaj Vasco here.
Hello. Yeah,
Hello.
go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, Pankaj, will you cover the Fiori reporting parts as well, like as Parvinder mentioned of this?
Yes.
Or you will just try later on with with the
No,
project
no. So
parts.
whenever we are running any end-to-end cycle for the production planning through Fiori, we will try to, touch base the related reporting applications, analytical applications that we do have already available. So
Okay.
definitely we will go through it.
Okay. Good. Thank you.